Hey kindergarten teachers, I know some of you already did this, but I just wanted to review in case you needed it, which reports to show parents at conferences. So if you go into Fastbridge and log in, after you log in, you can click reporting, and all of the results are going to show up best under individual skills report. So if you click individual skills report and then go into early reading English, you can go under fall first, and this is going to show you the screenings that we did the first time back in September. So all of your students will be here. You're more than welcome to show them on the screen. If you did want to print them out, you just click print report up here, and then you're going to have to click on Fastbridge. Come down here and you're going to want to open in PDF preview. It's going to take a couple seconds to generate this report, and then you're going to go and you can print this report down here. The next one that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do the next screening that we just recently did. So if you go up to interval, and that's going to be the first quarter screening. So click on that and then click go, and that's going to pull up the next set of reports. So you can compare the two and see the progress that your students have made. Again, if you want to print those, you're going to click on the print button here and then just click on Fastbridge to get rid of that. Click on PDF down here, open in preview, and then you can print that report as well. But don't forget, the second time that we did the screening, we did do a math screening. So you're going to want to go out of the early reading, and if you click on the reporting tab up here, it will take you back, and we can actually click on early math and go down, and you're going to leave it on first quarter screening and click on generate report, and you can see the counting objects report, and that will tell you that math test that we did on your students with the counting dots. So if you want to click on print report, you can go ahead and get the results to show parents for that one as well. Again, clicking on PDF preview, open in preview, and then you can go ahead and get the results to share with your parents. Please let me know if you have any questions.